So I'm back at the point of trying to clean up the contacts here. I've got the connectors, the plastic housings, soaking in Varsol to try and loosen up all the accumulation of varnish that's on the outside of them. So while we're doing that, we're going to work away at trying to get this guck off of my fingers and other stuff, apparently. And we'll try and clean these connectors, contacts off. As I said before, this is separate, so you have to be careful when you pull it out that you don't bend it back. And all I'm doing here is just scraping this stuff off ever so gently so we don't take off any of the coating and the plating on the contactors. And we'll just get the rough stuff off so we can clean it up with some contact cleaner to get the rest of it. And maybe use a Q-tip to finish the job. So there's the one. We'll get a little bit more of this stuff off here. And just some of this stuff on the back. Like that. And then we're going to, I have a bucket on the floor where all this stuff dribbles into so I don't make a mess. And you can see that once I put this stuff on, it kind of liquefies it all. You have to be careful of the kind of contact cleaner you use because some of them will melt plastic. I don't know what's in them, but some of the stuff is a little harsh. This stuff evaporates pretty quickly, so we'll just use that to kind of get this cleaned off. There we go. For the most part, that's pretty clean. And we'll do a little bit on this side too. Keep my brush wet. Almost there. Some of this stuff can be a little bit frustrating. But there we go. One nice, clean terminal. Now I do have to say that this car that I'm working on was in extremely good shape for its age, and really a lot of all it needed was mostly just clean up. It was very little body work, and for the most part here it's just a matter of making it look better for reassembly, so that when we're done, we have a very nice piece of art, basically. Because when you really get down to it, that's what these things are, is just a labor of love. A little bit of stuff left on there yet. We'll just scrape off the heavy duty stuff. Finish with a little scrub from our brush. And you can use whatever kind of toothbrush you want to. However, I would suggest that a softer one is better for this kind of stuff. The softer brush will take a little bit longer to get where you want to be, but in the end, you don't damage the coatings. And it gives a very nice job when you're done. There. Very good. Now we'll go check and see how our parts washer is doing with softening up the rest of the of this fitting.